Hey, Kathleen here. I'm reviewing this, a 101 Calmness coloring book to calm your mind and stress relief. So this is why I chose this book. My granddaughter colors, and I thought, it'd be nice to have a coloring book to use beside her that is kind of calming. So I just wanted to show you this. These pages are more papery than, they're not a thick paper. They're more papery, but they have this nice backing. So I want to show you something. So this is with one of my granddaughter's markers. So it was a little chunky marker, but I wanted to show you that it does not bleed through. And that's really nice. So your other pages are not going to get ruined. And then this, I use colored pencils. Well, actually, she and I were working on this last night using colored pencils. So, whether you're using colored pencils, probably wouldn't use a chunky marker, but a thinner marker. I mean, this could turn out really beautiful. But I like the pages. I was kind of surprised they weren't whiter and maybe a little thicker, but I like the fact that they have this backing to protect the other pages. And honestly, I don't really need it to be anything else. And it's just a beautiful book. I get to choose whether I want something a little busier, a little calmer, and just, how I feel that day when my granddaughter's breaking out her coloring book. Of course, when I broke out this one, she wanted to join me. So we'll see if I ever get to do one of these on my own. But yeah, it's a great coloring book.